Hello everybody and welcome in Batool Koja's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a strawberry pound cake. To make a strawberry pound cake we need yogurt, sugar, eggs, vanilla powder, vegetable oil, we mix them all together. We need also flour, salt, and baking powder. We mix them together. Now we mix all ingredients together using the blender. Then we add the chopped strawberry and also mix. Now we pour the mixture in a cake framework and bake it about 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna prepare the strawberry sauce. We put chopped strawberry in a plastic bag and roll them. Now we have to put the chopped strawberry with a sugar powder and mix them together using also the blender. Finally, we pour the strawberry sauce over the cake. And now our recipe is ready to be served. Enjoy your cake and see you in another video. Goodbye.